Okay, documenting for blood python, color, temperature, experiment. So these are red blood pythons, Python bromgersmai. This cool group and the experimental group were incubated at about 86 degrees throughout most of the incubation. There was a little bit of a couple warm days where both groups got warm. But for the most part, 86 degrees on the cool temp. This experimental group right here got put to 88 to 90 for the last 12 days of incubation, roughly. Maybe a little bit longer, 13 days of incubation. So we're going to take a look at coloration, see if there's any difference. So I'll take a look. So these right here are the control group. Fairly good looking baby blood pythons. Good color saturation and everything. So these are the ones that were kept completely at the cooler temp. And then this is the experimental group that was bumped up temperatures for the last 2 weeks of incubation. There was one more egg that was in the experimental group, but it had kinked fairly early into incubation, and so it was put down. But really nice color saturation on these. I don't know if I'd say that it's better than some of these guys. Doesn't have too much difference. I don't know. It looks like maybe a little bit richer coloration in the necks, which is where a lot of bromgersmai start to show some of their better colors. Probably going to be keeping one from each group to see how they mature and how they grow. But really interesting. So control group, experimental group seems to have, I don't know, maybe these ones look like they're more evenly colored as opposed to these ones that are not typically, but they're a little bit lighter in the back. I don't know. I'll let you decide. But we shall see as they mature, as they grow, if any of this holds true. Just documenting as much as possible. So control group, experimental group, I'll definitely try this again to see what we get.